So guys, welcome back to Twisted Souls. We are encountering a barn owl.
Shiny light?
Yep. Oh no. He's right there, guys, on the top of that. I don't know if you can hear him. Oh, he's so cool.
Come on, speak back. He's big. I'm trying to keep the light steady.
He's right up there, guys, on the top of that tree. He's really cool. Not sure you guys are going to be able to see him, but right up there. That spot right on top of the tree. That's him. He's pretty cool. Come on, dude.
Trying to get him to look at us.
I know. I'm almost tempted to walk down there, but I don't want to leave my bike.
Let me see if I'll get him to look at us.
I may walk down just a little bit. Just stay there with the light. Alright, so I am closer to him, guys. I'm gonna just want to keep the light on him.
Try it, Mom.
Hear him, guys? Oh, he's so cool. Right there, keep the light right there. So y'all, you can see him.
That's better right there,
Right there. Oh, he is so cool. Oh, he just flew off. Where'd he go? Shine it back up there.
He took off. Unless he went to one of the neighboring trees next to it.
So y'all, that was the barn owl in our neighborhood. How cool. Thanks for watching.